Listen to the sound of a gentle breeze rustling through leaves as we embark on a journey of relaxation, starting with the feet. With every step we take, our feet carry us forward, connecting us to the earth beneath us. They are our body's grounding points, holding us steady and balanced in our journey through life. Now, imagine the sensation of a soothing massage, fingers gently kneading the soles of your feet. Each stroke releases tension, like knots unraveling, leaving a sense of ease and tranquility in its wake. As the pressure points are gently stimulated, a ripple of relief surges through your body, starting from the base and radiating upwards. The sensation is akin to a river flowing freely, unobstructed, its currents carrying away stress and anxiety. Now, shift your focus to the feeling of soft sand underfoot. Each grain rubs against your skin, providing a gentle exfoliation. The warm sensation envelops your feet like a cozy blanket, wrapping them in comfort. It's a sensation that's as invigorating as it is soothing, a testament to nature's ability to heal and rejuvenate. Let's talk about grounding, the act of connecting our bodies to the earth. It's a practice that brings us back to our roots, reminding us of our connection to the world around us. It's about being present, feeling the earth beneath us and allowing it to steady us. When we ground ourselves, we invite calmness into our mind, creating a state of mental relaxation that mirrors the physical. As we conclude this first phase of our journey, envision the tension leaving your feet. Feel it seeping out, replaced by a comforting warmth. Each toe uncurls, each muscle relaxes. It's as if a weight has been lifted, leaving your feet feeling light and refreshed. This is the first step in our journey to complete relaxation. A journey that starts at the feet and ascends, bringing peace and tranquility to every part of your body. Feel the release of tension from your feet as if a weight has been lifted. The journey continues upwards, reaching the center of your body, the abdomen. As we ascend further, we find ourselves at the core of your being, the epicenter of your physical presence, the abdomen. This bustling hub of activity is home to some of the most essential processes in our bodies, including digestion and the regulation of key bodily functions. It's a powerhouse, a control center, coordinating the symphony that is your body's daily function. Imagine a gentle, soothing massage, tenderly working away the knots of stress that have taken residence in your abdomen. Each rhythmic stroke is like a calming wave, washing over your body, relieving tension and promoting relaxation. The sensation is akin to a whispering breeze, gently rustling the leaves on a serene summer afternoon. It's a delicate dance of pressure and release, a ballet of soothing sensations designed to bring you unparalleled comfort. Let's not forget the vital role the abdomen plays in our breathing. Abdominal breathing, also known as diaphragmatic breathing, is a natural part of relaxation. It's a dance of the diaphragm, a gentle rise and fall, a rhythmic ebb and flow. Every inhale is an invitation to peace, every exhale, a release of what no longer serves you. It's a cycle of renewal, a testament to the power of the present moment. The abdomen is more than just a part of our body. It's a sanctuary, a haven where we can retreat from the rush of the world outside. It's the place where we can truly listen to our bodies, tune into our needs, and find our center. So, as you imagine the sensation of a gentle massage, remember the importance of your abdomen. Remember the peace it can bring you, the tranquility it can offer. Let each moment of relaxation be a tribute to this incredible part of your body. Experience the gentle release of tension from your abdomen, encouraging a sense of calm and tranquility. As we continue our journey, remember this feeling. Carry it with you like a soft melody accompanying the rhythm of your life. Our journey now takes us to the neck, a vital bridge between our body and mind. This slender column of vertebrae, harboring crucial nerves, is more than just a physical connection between your head and torso. Its role extends far beyond, serving as a conduit for the nervous system, linking your cerebral sphere of thought and emotion to the rest of your body. The neck, dear friends, is where the mind-body dialogue truly unfolds. When we speak of stress or tension, they often find a home in our neck. Picture the countless times you found your shoulders creeping up towards your ears after a long day, the stiffness that seems to radiate from your neck. This is your body's physical response to mental or emotional pressure. Now imagine the sensation of a gentle, soothing massage. the skilled fingers of a masseuse kneading away at the knots of tension, their touch light yet firm. Each stroke releases the stiffness. Each press unearths layers of pent-up stress. It's akin to a symphony of relief playing out on the stage of your skin. The crescendo, a wave of relaxation that washes over you. The importance of neck flexibility cannot be overstated. A flexible neck is like a well-oiled hinge, allowing for smooth fluid movements. It contributes to the overall relaxation of your body, a ripple effect that starts from the neck and cascades down to every muscle, every fiber. Picture your neck as a river. When it's stiff, the flow is blocked, causing stagnation and discomfort. But when the neck is flexible, it's like a river in full flow, carrying away stress and tension, clearing the path for a serene state of mind. And so as we focus on this bridge between our body and mind, we understand its importance in our journey towards relaxation. We learn to give it the care it deserves, to free it from the shackles of tension and stress. Feel the tension melt away from your neck, promoting a sense of peace and serenity. We've now arrived at the culmination of our journey, embracing the entire body. It's time to appreciate the body in its entirety, a miraculous interconnected system, a symphony of sensations, each note contributing to the melody of our existence. Imagine a full-body massage, the skilled hands of a masseuse gliding over your skin, their touch light but firm. Each stroke promotes relaxation, each knead eases stress. From the crown of your head to the tips of your toes, every muscle, every fiber of your being succumbs to this sublime tranquility. The rhythm of the hands becomes a lullaby, lulling your body into a state of serene calm. Picture the sensation as a cascade of relaxation, starting from your scalp, trickling down your spine, branching out into your arms and legs, reaching the furthest corners of your body. It's as though your entire being is immersed in a warm, soothing bath, the water lapping against your skin, washing away the day's worries and concerns. Now let's talk about body awareness. It's not just about knowing where your arms and legs are. It's about being in tune with your body, understanding its signals, feeling its ebbs and flows. It's about acknowledging the hum of energy within you, the rhythm of your breath, the beat of your heart. It's about recognizing the intricate dance of life happening right under your skin. When you're aware of your body, you're aware of yourself. You're present in the moment. And in that moment, there's no room for stress or anxiety. There's only tranquility, peace, a sense of being grounded. This is the power of body awareness. This is the essence of full body relaxation. So, as we embrace the entire body, let's remember this interconnectedness, this unity. Let's remember that every part of us, every cell, contributes to our overall well-being. Let's remember that relaxation isn't just about feeling good. It's about holistic health, about nurturing our physical selves to nourish our mental selves. Experience the harmony of relaxation spreading throughout your entire body, like a soothing wave. As the soothing sounds of nature continue to play, let's reflect on the journey we've just taken together. We started at the feet, the very foundation of our being. We paid homage to these often overlooked heroes who carry us through our daily lives. We allowed the tension to seep away, replaced by a deep sense of relaxation as we massaged, soothed, and nurtured them. Then, we ascended to the abdomen, the core of our physical selves. We focused on this central hub, the home of our most vital organs, and allowed ourselves to relax, to release any tension or discomfort we'd been holding onto. We were reminded of the importance of nurturing our core, of keeping it healthy and strong. Our journey continued upward to the neck, this crucial bridge between body and mind, often bearing the weight of our stress and worries. We massaged and soothed it, allowing the tension to melt away, replaced with a sense of calm and tranquility. And finally, we embraced the entirety of our bodies. We took a moment to appreciate the complex, beautiful machine that is our body. We allowed ourselves to sink into relaxation, to let go of any remaining tension, to simply be in the moment, at peace with ourselves. This journey of relaxation we've taken together is more than just a momentary escape. It's a reminder of the importance of self-care, of taking the time to nurture and care for our bodies. It's a testament to the power of relaxation, to its ability to relieve stress, to improve our overall well-being. I encourage you, whenever you feel stressed or overwhelmed, to take this journey again. Let the soothing sounds of nature guide you. Let the relaxation seep into your very core. Let it wash over you, bringing you peace and tranquility. As we conclude, remember this sense of peace and relaxation and carry it with you into your everyday life.